at the FL Sun Super Racers. I am making a bunch of the PTFE fittings and stuff for the Bambu Lab P1P. And MatterHackers sent me some filament, want me to give them my honest opinion of what I think, and another company, the two companies I deal with, X3D and MatterHackers. I mean, these two guys are hands down, you know. The filament is awesome. Can't take that away. So this is just PLA. It's a neon color. Stay tuned. We'll keep you updated, give you our opinions, let you know what we think. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is MatterHackers. It is their lime green PLA 1.75 millimeter. This stuff is flawless. I'm printing a PTFE kit for my Bambu Lab, and look at this. Also, I have some mod plates I did for my, this is also a couple different colors of MatterHackers. They were kind enough to send out Jersey 3D printing, some filament to do some reviewing and testing. And this is what I come up with so far. They also sent PETG, which is awesome. Again, I have not a problem with that. This is their filament right here. Also, the cable management, that's theirs, as well as back here. That's pretty much all I have right now, but hands down, very, very, very good filament. Very good customer service. I mean, if you have any issues, they will answer. Very nice people, went out of their way for me. With that being said, I can tell you 100% their PLA is hands down the best. So if you need anything, go over to MatterHackers and check out all their filament. They have everything usually in stock, parts, material, filaments, all kinds of different filaments, dryers, you name it, they got it. So that's my opinion so far, is their PLA is awesome. I have nothing bad to say. I would buy it for sure. Alright guys, please like, subscribe, follow, and we'll let you guys know more shortly. Alrighty, and that's the results of the MatterHacker 1.75 PLA, and this is with a 0.4 nozzle. I mean, it's definitely not bad. Alright, we will be back.